Hello viewers, welcome to Amma Master Menu. Today I am going to show you a very easy recipe, that is veg kushka. It is an easy, quick and healthy. First, heat oil in a cooker. To this add the whole biryani items one by one. Stir these and when they are fried enough, add green chilies and add onions to it. Mix all well. Close it and open it after 5 minutes. And add ginger garlic paste to it and tomatoes also. Saute it for a while and then add 1 teaspoon salt to it and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon chili powder. Mix it, saute it for a while. After that, now I am going to add 1 cup of curd. It is for gravy and taste purpose. And then add mint and coriander leaves to it. Mix it all well properly. Let cook for a while. Open it after 5 minutes. See, now it looks like cooked. And then add water. For water, add 1 cup of rice. Add 2 cups of water with same cup. First we need to soak the rice before we start cooking. Now, when it looks boiling, we need to add soaked rice. Mix once before close it and check for salt. If needs, add it. And then close it. Let cooker do 3 whistles and open it. See, now it looks ready. Now I am going to serve it. My veg kushka is ready and spices, as we have used a lot of garam masalas. It tastes best when it is served. So do try this easy recipe and let me know your valuable feedback in the comment section. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel Amma Master Menu. If you have other suggestions, query or any other recipe which you want to show on my channel, please let me know. It's me Anusuya signing off. Bye bye.